So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing y'all how to install LABYMOD 4 cracked, which is in my opinion the second best crack client that you can have. So without any further ado, let's continue. So first thing you need to do is just go to your browser and go to the LABYMOD 4's website or LABYMOD's website, whatever, link in the description. So click on download, click on other, click on installer for Minecraft launcher or multi-MC, whatever, download it. So yeah, I already have it. So yeah, let's open it. Once you open it, it will be like this. Click on I agree to the terms of service, click on next, select your Minecraft versions like this and click on choose your theme, fancy or vanilla. Fancy is the new menus, so I think that will be the best one. So I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it. So yeah guys, let's open our launcher. So yeah guys, the three versions that I did are here. You don't have to do anything, they will already be there in your launcher. So I'm going to launch 1.19.4 for this video. So yeah guys, I will be back once it launches. So yeah guys, as you can see, it has launched. So yeah guys, let's just join a server for once, then we will join a single player world. Let's join chicken craft. So yeah guys, as you can see, we can join servers. Yeah guys, let's go to single player. So yeah guys, we have joined. The FPS in later versions is pretty bad, so I am getting 60 FPS here. It's okay though. So yeah guys, that will be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.